Cammy's here with Auntie Manda. Camden.
Cammy. Cammy, what up? What are you doing? Cammy, give it.
Trying to take pictures of Camden.
Can you do it? You want to hold the car, baby? That'll work. That was good. That was cute.
So you like his cars, huh? Camden's wearing his shirts. I'm Doodles. I'm Doodles.
Toodles.
I'm Toodles. I'm Toodles. So here's his grandma Toodles shirt as well. Isn't that cute, guys? And my Toodle shirt. Have to match my Toodle boy. Cammy. Hey, look. Cammy have his cars. No, he's into cars. He don't put his cars down now. He's into cars. Hey, listen, everybody. Say hi. Is always saying hi to Camden. Angela, I don't know how you remember Camden's birthday. You remember Camden's birthday. You want to wish him happy birthday. So I am telling Camden happy birthday from Auntie Angela. All right? We are at the Rainforest Cafe. And we're about to have lunch.
We have a reservation.
This is the Rainforest Cafe.
No way. Not right now. I don't know. Can you get any promises right now? I'm not making any promises right now. Where's the uniform?
We have not been here in a long time. The last time I came here, we had to make reservations. So this time we made our reservations. So we'll be able to get a seat. And we think about this Rainforest Cafe. They have all these animals that pops out at you, that moves around. Here we have a big old snake up here. There's a big butterfly over there flapping its wings. This is the whole group here. We're gonna all have lunch today. This is Ashley's friend here. Her friend Izzy's little boy. Hi.
Hey. Henry. Henry, is that a banana? Is it a banana?
Cherries, yeah, cherries. Cherries. Apple. Apple, yeah, apple.
Are you going to the safari?
Safaris for that? It's Camden's birthday, guys. We had the Rainforest Cafe. And they have little things here, little goodie bags here for the kids.
I didn't know they were going to do this.
Oh, cute little binoculars.
Oh, how cute.
I wish I was that
I was
organized.
like, wow, how did you like even organize it with the name of the restaurant?
Did you do that or the restaurant did that?
The restaurant.
Oh, the restaurant. Oh, okay. Look what they did. They have little goodie bags for the kids, little binoculars. How cute is that? And what is this? Is this?
This is like a water canister.
Oh, like, oh. And they're going, oh my goodness, and going in the forest, right?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Ooh, it's getting dark.
Yeah, the light is going down. And over here we have
Why did it get
a
dark?
little house. Woo! It's like thunder. Like animals are moving around.
Jam, jam, love.
Look, Cammy. Oh, there's a monkey over here.
Yeah. And mommy? Yeah, mommy and daddy? Yeah, come. Come in, guys. Look, Ashley. Ashley, it's coming to you.
Don't run the ride. You want your paddle? Here's the smiles coming back. I'm like, I'm gonna do this time. Oh wow!
We're getting it.
You know what I noticed?
Yeah, I feel like Henry's gonna get sad.
I think any second they're gonna come through because of that stupid
When the thing starts, cover his ears.
Wow, you made us look so good.
Pokeball. Ashley, you gotta be careful how you say this in Barbados. Pokeball. You want to?
No, okay, thank you. It does look good though.
Hey, buddy, look at
Look at Grandpa.
look at Grandpa here.
Grandpa.
Hey, buddy. Cam, Cam.
Cammy, say hi.
Say hi, baby.
Hey, picture. Hey.
And everybody's taking pictures. Back at the hotel. Cammy is going to go down for a nap now. We're just changing him. So by the time he's ready to have his cake later, he'll be in a good mood. Right,
Diaper's
Cammy?
not very wet at all. He barely
So-
peed.
Is he poopy?
No, he barely peed. His diaper's not really wet.
Oh, okay. Hey, Cammy, this is his favorite blankie right here. Are you going for a nap? He's going
Yes.
down for his afternoon nap.
Yes, yes.
And this is what he sleeps with at night. He has his sound machine over there that keeps a lot of noise that put him to sleep. Go figure, guys, but it put him to sleep.
And
And this is little Henry over here. And Henry is going night-night. You going night-night, Henry?
Are you going to sleep?
Night-night? Okay, night-night. Go sleep. He's not too much excitement. I don't know how he told it in sleep. Huh? This is Henry's little sister. She wants to know if she can hold Camden. You think she's strong enough to hold you, Camden? Let's see. Let's see. You're strong. You're strong enough to pick him up. That's Cammy's little friend. Henry's trying to escape. We are at the hotel. This is a very nice hotel. There's a slide here for the kids. So I have one of our little friends up here on the slide, so I'm waiting for her to slide down. Here she comes. Camden is taking a nap, so while he's taking a nap, Ashley's upstairs with him, so we're just gonna hang out here with the pool. I have one of Ashley's friends' little daughters here, so we're just gonna have a little good time until Camden wakes up. There's some cake and stuff when he wakes up where we'll celebrate his birthday. But in the meantime, we're just gonna have a little bit of fun. Camden here for his party.
Look, Cammy. He loves Heath. He loves Heath, Jackson, and who else? Heath, Jackson, and JoJo. Those are his people. Look, look.
You don't even care about
Heath, Jackson, and JoJo. Those are his people.
Oh, you can say hello. Say, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Cammy drinking his juice. He not paying attention to nobody. Cammy, say, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. You celebrated your birthday today. You did lots of fun stuff for your birthday. What's wrong with your hand?
Monkeys.
What?
It's monkeys.
Yucky?
Yucky.
Ooh,
Yes, monkeys.
yucky monkeys?
Yes.
Oh, you say yucky monkey. What is that, boogers or something in your hand?
He had a tattoo.
Oh, monkey. It was. Oh, it's gone. Your tattoo's gone. He had a tattoo on his hand. He's saying yucky tattoo. Here it is. Oh, your juice. You're spilling your juice. Don't spill your juice.
I get it.
You got it. That's a tattoo you had on your hand. What happened to it?
Monkey.
Monkey? Your tattoo was a monkey?
I get it.
You get it. Okay. Here's your juice.
Grab your juice, baby.
Grab your juice.